Hello, it's Simon Sutton George from Tenerife Property Group, and today we're in Playa, Fanabe. We're in a complex called Yucca Park, so we're going to be looking at a 2-bedroom apartment, 2 beds, 1 bath. Let's have a look around. We've got a recently refurbished bathroom. This was done literally a few months ago. You might call this bedroom 2, but it's got access to the terrace, or to a terrace out there. Again, nice kitchen, modern, open concept. Lovely sized lounge as well. And then on this level here we've got another bedroom, so we've got 2 proper good sized bedrooms, and then out onto this L-shaped terrace. So that's our 2-bedroom, 1 bathroom ground floor apartment in Yucca Park on Playa, Fanabe. If you want more information about it, then go to tenerifepropertygroup.com, or you can email me at simonsg@tenerifepropertygroup.com.